If your fried dumplings are not crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, then watch this video. So going in with 1 cup of flour. Going in with 2 cups of flour. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Salt. And they will combine. Alright. Now I'm gonna run it through a sieve. Ask me how I'm gonna use the same bowl to sieve it in, but that's what I normally do. That's what I'm doing right now. Spread that one side. Let me get rid of this. Remember that strainer, yeah? That strainer I used one time and it broke off on the video, and I did post it with me. I made the rice and peas, and me I squeeze the coconut milk and it just pop off. Yeah, still have it now. That's true. You see this? The whole of the baking powder. So just I use this back of the spoon and just press it out. Now I'm going to knead the dough with some whole milk. I have 1 cup of milk in this. I use a spoon and knead it halfway, and then we'll finish knead it with my hand. Pull up, stay with me. So you add it. Some people use butter, but from me know myself, once I have milk, if I don't have milk, water. Guys, I did dilute the milk with water. You don't want to knead it stiff. So this is what we have. Hold up, wait for it. Now we have some gloves. This is I don't want the flour. My nails, I should say. Just grab the flour and squeeze it. It is a little soft, but that's the way you want it. You don't want to over knead it. Alright, so I'm going to fling this aside. Alright. We're going to cover this and set it aside. So I'm just going to wet it. Cover the dumpling and let it sit, and we'll be back to fry. So what you do next, so the flour, make sure you have a little flour at the side to dust, because the dough is sticky. So when you grab it, it's gonna stick to your hands. So you want to have some flour to dust those hands, right? You don't want the oil too hot. You don't want it too cold. You just want it right in the middle. So I'm gonna pick up some of the flour or the dough. Dab a little of the flour on it. And then roll the dough. You saw my hand white, that means it wash, okay? Alright, so I roll it. As soon as it starts a couple of bubbles in there, you can drop now. Okay? So we're gonna do the rest. guys, you're gonna keep dusting your hands with the flour and knead it because it's wet and it's a little messy. See that? Drop it. But now, always have the same exact method. What I did was use 2 cups of flour to 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then we're gonna see how that come out. As a Jamaican, we don't normally measure, so that's why it's hard to give measurements. So we're doing it together. I remember, guys, you want to keep it on low heat. You have to pay attention, okay, you see? That you realize, see? I wonder. Ready for turn. And I will say low and steady. You don't want it on high heat if the outside of the dumpling will fry and the inside won't fry. It's gonna be raw. So we're gonna roll one more and drop it this way. Now just make the 2 of them roll and just roll. Roll it. I roll it like you make dumplings. Some people roll it round, make it round. But I roll it like I'm making boiled dumplings. Press it because it's gonna swell by itself. And drop it. Make space. Like that. So I turn them again, color, so make sure the inside fry enough. Okay. So we still have one more. I think I need 2, but we turn it in a 3 because I don't want it too big. So we have a tiny one. However, add to it. Alright, this one. And then we'll go flip. I wonder. And just give them space to swell. Flip them again. And you can drop them on the side too. Sometimes I'll poke a hole in them. I've had this poke a hole. And then flip it over. Now I can do that also. I'm going to wash off my pan. Guys, the dumpling in my burn tell me. Oh Lord. Alright, hurry up, hurry up. I left the world sitting trouble. Troubles in the dance. Worries. Come on. sears them just to make sure fry. About ready now. So we're gonna set up something for you. Alright, so we're set up this. Put the dumpling now. So guys, you don't have to be afraid to use your hands. Listen, if the camera wasn't rolling, this is how I would take them out. I'm in a cap like this. Sometimes we can't be true to ourselves because we care about what people think or say. Some of that take them out. And that's the truth. Because the side that is at top is not that hot. But and then we have a nice pretty dumpling. Alright, so we're going to check the dumpling. Alright, that's what we're looking at. So fluffy on the outside, nice on the inside. Alright, so I'm going to fry it.